Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
One day Imam Sajjad's friends came to him. The Imam asked how they were doing. One of the companions said,
"Master, I am in big trouble. I have a loan of 400 dinars. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to get out of this difficult situation."
Imam Sajjad started to cry when he heard this. The man said in surprise,
"My master, why are you crying?"
The Imam said,
"Because one of my believing brothers is in trouble and I have not been able to do anything to solve his problem so far."
Sometime later, the man said goodbye to the Imam and left. The other two people sitting near the Imam also left with him. One of them didn't like the Imam. He said to the others,
"The Imam who has all power in the heavens and the earth does not do anything to help his beloved believer."
The troubled man became very upset when he heard the words of this enemy of Imam and came to the Imam and said,
"O son of the Prophet, it is true that I am in great distress due to my difficulty and hardship, but the wounds inflicted by the tongues of the enemies cause much more distress."
Imam Sajjad said,
"Do not worry, God has given a solution to your problem."
Now as the Imam was talking to this man, a servant came and gave Imam Sajjad food to break his fast. There were only 2 loaves of bread for the Imam. Imam took those loaves and passed them to the person. And he said,
"I have nothing to give but these 2 loaves. God will take away your trouble with these loaves."
The man thanked the Imam and asked permission.
"My master, you have been very kind to me. May God increase your honor and dignity."
He went to the market with 2 loaves of bread. He saw a fishmonger whose fish had all been sold. There was only 1 fish left. The man went to the fishmonger and said,
"Hello. I have these 2 loaves of bread, and if you accept these, give me that fish in exchange for these loaves."
The fishmonger agreed to give the man some fish and took the bread. The man took the fish and left.
"Take the salt. Fresh salt,"
said a merchant nearby.
"Salam, brother."
"Hello, sir."
"Sir, if possible, give me some salt."
The man gave him some salt. The man took fish and salt and walked towards his house. He thought that fish and salt were better than being hungry. When he got home, he took a knife and started cleaning the fish, and as soon as he opened the fish's stomach, he was shocked. There were 2 precious pearls in the belly of the fish. He was very happy, and by selling these 2 pearls he improved the condition of his house and his family and paid off his debt. He remembered what the Imam had said to him.
The Lord has given a solution to your problem.
He prostrated and thanked God immensely. Then he said to himself,
"Thank God. Indeed, who thinks that the Imam cannot solve problems is very unfortunate and unlucky."